Hey y'all, I know I usually don't get on here and talking and stuff because I be in an environment where I can't say much or I be around people that's not interested or whatever and they just say whatever they want to say. But y'all know I make my cornstarch videos or just make videos or whatever I do in my videos. In this case, this gonna be my first day out in my car because I just left a toxic relationship, y'all. And I'm so proud of myself. Like, I'm gone for real. I was in physical and mental abusive relationship. So, but anyway, this is gonna be my first day in my car. I don't know what I'm about to do. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I don't know how my day gonna end. But hopefully it ends well. And I'm just gonna keep going forward, pushing forward, and make it the best out of every day, you know? Make it the best out of every day. So right now I just got my cornstarch. Got my cornstarch in a bottle. I don't know if I'm gonna be making any more cornstarch videos or, just making videos in general every single day. But I'm gonna try my best to keep y'all updated. It depends on how many subscribers and views I get for me to keep making videos. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat my cornstarch and sit in my car and never mind everything else and forget about what happened today or whatever. I'll probably tell y'all a story about what happened. Long story short, I had to bust a nigga window out today, his car windows, because I'm not no kid. And you're not gonna talk to me like I'm a kid. You're not gonna call me no B words. You're not gonna call me no prostitute. You're just not gonna treat me like I'm like a dog or any old female. I'm not no cat. I don't do cat shish, whatever. So, I don't tolerate people calling me on my names. That's just not what I do. I don't go for that. Like, I'll be quiet, but I'm coming back. And I came back hard 10 times. So, anyway, I'm, I want my cornstarch. So I want my cornstarch. Yeah. I don't condone people to make cornstarch videos or eat cornstarch or make videos eating cornstarch. This is for entertainment and entertainment only and always. Um, like I said, I was going through something and I started eating cornstarch, and this is really soothing to me. Like, it feels so good. It made me feel better. It made me forget about my problems. I'm using my phone to upload my videos. That's all I have right now is my phone to record me and make videos. Of course, I'm in my car. You know, this is day one. So I got my phone making my videos and upload. Bear with me, y'all. I just need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, or whatever. Leave comments, whatever. Keep me hip. You know, give me some ideas. Whatever. Just keep me focused. You know what I'm saying? Tune in. Right now, I'm just watching my surroundings, y'all, because, like I said, I'm in my car. Whatever. So I'm watching my back and I'm watching my front. I'm just sitting in my car, watching my front and my back. But anyway, what I got in this bottle, in my squeeze bottle, this was a good idea, y'all, by the way. I just never got a chance to decorate it like some people. They got some pretty decorated bottles like this. I don't think I'm going to get into all of that. Or whatever. I don't know. But they looked nice, though. It made me want some more cornstarch. It made me crave some cornstarch watching the other cornstarch videos. This is Argo out the jar, the yellow container, and a little bit of baby powder. This is a little bit of baby powder. So it's scented. It's scented cornstarch. It's good. It's real good. Kind of fluffy, but it's good. The flavor will make it good. This is kind of like my first time talking on my videos. I usually don't talk because my background be loud and stuff, but I'm good on all of that. I'm relaxed right now. This is soothing. Like, I feel so good. This made me feel better. Y'all know what else? And being in a toxic relationship, abusive, mental, physical relationship, it made me pick up on cigarettes too. I haven't smoked it yet. I got one. I haven't lit it yet and smoked it. So I'm just holding on to it. I've been holding on this cornstarch since last night. I still got it. I haven't eaten it. So I'm probably not going to make a full video and eat the whole jar because I never really usually eat the whole jar of cornstarch. I can't. I ain't get the balls and the nerves to eat a whole thing of cornstarch, a whole container of cornstarch, or a whole bottle of cornstarch. Like I said, I left the house, so I ain't got no spoons or nothing. You might not see me doing those spoons of cornstarch. I might just be eat my cornstarch out the bottles whenever I get a chance, because I'm out in public until I get myself together. Hopefully I got y'all by my side, though. My subscribers and my viewers or whatever. Hope y'all got my back or whatever. I'm counting on y'all. That's why I'm telling y'all my business, because I'm counting on y'all. Whatever. I like the bottle. I like these bottles. I had to cut mine at the tip. Y'all see that? I had to cut mine at the tip because it was really, really small. And it was hardly coming out. Like, sometimes I get stuck. That's why I don't really care for this bottle or whatever. Sometimes I get stuck. Whatever. But, you know, whatever. It come out a little, but it still gets stuck. So I make it come out the best way I could. I try to get as much as I could out of the bottle. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Since I left my relationship this morning, that's over with. That's done. I can't deal with it. I need me a new man, and he got to be better than what I just left. This is so good. I'm gonna be keeping in touch with my family. That's most important. I'm gonna be keeping in touch with my sisters, like my siblings, my sisters, my brothers, my mama when she answered the phone, because she really answered the phone. She always busy. So, like I said, I'm gonna just keep in touch with my family. I don't really have friends like that, y'all. My old friends, we all gone our separate ways. So I'm just gonna be dealing with my family for right now. This is good. And if you do eat cornstarch and you try to send it or something, do not put so much, because the scent is so strong. Like, I put baby powder in my eyebrow. It is so strong, y'all. Like, it's so super strong. I can't stand a strong scented cornstarch. Like, I don't like it like that. It made me not want to eat it. So only put like a little bit. If you put a dab in there, that's enough. Trust and believe that's enough. I got like about this much baby powder in there, scented baby powder in there. And the baby powder is cornstarch too. So it's probably about this much in here, mixing my argo in this bottle, and the rest of it is filled with cornstarch. It's good though. So for right now, I'm gonna end this video, and I hope y'all like it. Bye.